McDonald's. I love McDonald's. Oh, Big Mac meal. What happened? What happened to the burger? Where'd it go? Where'd the burger go? Dun dun dun! No, the burger's gone. The burger's gone. Oh, where'd it go? Burger in here! Ah! Burger! Gotta find it. Maybe there's some food inside of this bag. Alright, so it's not in here, so let's just like try and track it down. Fries? No. French fries? What's this? Piece of the burger. This could be evidence. It could be evidence of this burger. Okay. Mom. Maybe there could be more evidence. Let's see. Let's go back in time. Let's see what happened. Let's keep walking. There's gotta be a sandwich somewhere. I've gotta find it. Sandwich! Oh, sandwich! No. Sandwich? Sandwich! Oh. Sandwich, are you in there? Sandwich, you in this one? No. No. Where else could you be, Sandwich? You in here, Sandwich? Are you in here, Sandwich? That's no use. He's gone. There's no use. He's gone. Holly?